There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby, sing on back.
Welcome to Ganawagga, Utah's Donuts today. Anyway, where's the ears? You hid the ears. Put the ears back. These glasses are weird. Like it blocks out all on here. These little things. So, whoa.
Yoda.
Yoda.
Baby Yoda.
Let me try the Santa Claus hat on. See if this fits my head. Oh yeah! Look at that. It doesn't even fit my head. It's like a beanie. There we go.
What's a beanie?
Leave it. I want to put it on. See, look.
You look psycho.
I'm the psycho Santa Claus.
You don't have a...
Dork. What are you doing? Where's my ears? So you can wear
Take
your
your boring ears.
boring ears. I should have a Chewbacca mask with ears. Go like this. Yo, look, I'm like Peppa Pig. No, it's the pig from Sing. He has the little piggy ears. It looks like this is piggy ears, and this is.
You're the ears.
You are at one with the Force. My hands are cold. Brr. So much for a heater heating up the garage.
Let's play.
Play what? Let's play fall off the chair and get killed in here. Don't do that.
Let's play freeze dance.
Yeah, freeze dance. Freeze dance. Freeze dance. How many minutes? Hold on. I can't even see that. How many minutes are we up to? A minute and a half of ridiculous. Stop, you. Stop. Let me put this back. Stop yelling. I'm just gonna delete this if you keep doing that.
No.
So we're not doing any tool reviews.
Yeah, but we're playing with toys.
Let's make short videos.
Ooh.
Let me turn this off. Okay.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. Where's my other phone? Okay, turn it off now. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
See you later. Bye.
Yeah.